Hello guys, I'm Vathan CHEJERLA from BENNETT University, and today I'm going to speak about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Basically, cloud computing is a form of distributed work where tasks that are hard for computers to do are handled by a large number of humans distributed across the internet. It is an overarching term encompassing tools that enable idea sharing, non-hierarchical decisions, making and utilization of cognitive surplus. The ability of the world's population to collaborate on large, sometimes global projects. Cloud computing combines elements of crowdsourcing, automation, distributed computing, and machine learning. And the four main elements of cloud computing are crowdsourcing, automation, distributed computing, and machine learning. And now I'll discuss how cloud computing works. Cloud computing is fundamentally a distributed computing framework where a big, non-trivial task is divided into numerous independent atomic tasks that are distributed over multiple computing devices for processing. These atomic tasks are sometimes referred to as microtasks, which are kept ready in job pools, and the available crowd worker are being searched for, and a set of suitable crowd workers is selected. Each micro task from the job pool is assigned to a different crowd worker from the set, though sometimes the same task can be given to a different crowd worker to maintain reliability. These micro tasks are given as simple programs to the crowd worker without any contextual information. After execution of these independent microtasks, each crowd worker submits the output to the centralized master where all the micro results are gathered, checked for errors, and assembled to get the final result. Now, I'll just tell you the basic layout of computing. I'll not go into the details, but the basic components are requester, crowd worker, platform, and network. Here's an output of the basic layout. You can check out the outputs and the job pool which goes to the world of computers. And cloud computing basically approaches into two different types: desktop cloud computing and mobile cloud computing. And in cloud computing, the computing devices may be fixed or mobile based on the type of resource. Cloud computing may be realized through two approaches: desktop cloud computing and mobile cloud computing. Basically, desktop cloud computing is computers, the desktops, laptops, and the PCs we have. They are usually stationary and connected to the internet directly. And the second type is mobile cloud computing. This consists and comprises the mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets. Here are the differences between desktop cloud computing and mobile cloud computing. And coming through computing flexibility, mobile cloud computing is more flexible than desktop cloud computing. And talking about the reliability, desktop computing is much more reliable than mobile cloud computing. But due to increased number of smartphones, mobile cloud computing is increased. So the availability of desktop cloud computing is falling popularity. And talking about computing capacity, desktop cloud computing is way more than mobile cloud computing. And about the scalability, mobile cloud computing is much more obviously. And now I'll be talking about machine learning. Machine learning is the scientific study of algorithms and statistical models that computer systems use to perform a specific task without using explicit instructions, relying on patterns and inference instead. This basically means no external person is required to stand in front of the machine to perform any task. Machine learning algorithms build a mathematical model based on sample data, known as training data, in order to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. Machine learning algorithms are used to in a wide variety of applications such as email filtering, computer vision, where it is difficult or infeasible to develop a conventional algorithm for effectively performing the task. For today, guys, I'll be coming back. Thank you.